Well, good morning, everybody. Oh, Hussy here. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna do some chilaquiles. I've been really having a hankering for these things. Whenever we order out takeout, what I do with the leftover chips a lot of times, I make some chilaquiles. Today, we're gonna do a salsa verde. We're gonna do everything from scratch. We're even gonna make our own tortillas, and I'm gonna do a little something different. Let's get started. Before you get started, nobody really goes over how do you get started with a Blackstone. Well, I like to clean a little bit of this off first. Got our griddle on just for a little bit, and it's starting up, it's on low. And all I'm gonna do is take a little bit of water, and I just wanna get some of that, just some of that stuff off. There's some dust, there's grime, you know, pollen, I'm sure. So, you know, let's start out with a nice clean slate, all right? Nothing special with the cleaning, just use, I like to use regular water instead of organic water for cleaning. All right, salsa verde, let's get it going. First things first, we gotta get some tomatillos prepped. The cool thing about tomatillos are, they got a jacket. They come with their own jacket. And you don't have to supply them one, yeah? So there it is, nice little husk, little jacket. You can save these and make your own jacket if you like. Tomatillos done. Let's talk about some peppers, a little pep. It's a poblano pepper that I am going to cut like that. I'll go ahead and take some of these seeds and stuff out. Take the tops off. Poblano pepper, done. Little jalapeno pepper, little jalapeno. And we'll take just a few of those seeds out. Listen, I like hot, but I don't like it real hot, all right? Just call me a wuss, but whatevs. White onion, we'll do a little white onion. Little white onion, just a little bit. Take the root off, take that part off, just like that. Garlic, maybe 3-4 cloves. Here we go. That's all we got. Let's head over to the griddle. This thing is smoking, and we want to char some of these off. Gives it a nice little flavor before we make our salsa verde. So let's go. All right, as you can see, the griddle top is nice and hot, and you can see the graphics. It's on, you know, medium high. I'm gonna take some avocado oil. Nice high smoke point. I got some free assets out there if you like. Smoke point or oil chart. I have meat temperature chart, and also have a griddle temperature chart for, you know, what's done, what's not done. And these are free. If you want a magnet, I have those magnets as well that you can buy, and I will ship to them straight from here. So getting these onto the griddle, everything. The jalapenos, the garlic. And y'all, we're just gonna toast those off. I think I might do one more jalapeno because I'm feeling a little spicy today, okay? A little spicy, maybe a half. Just gonna do half. I mean, I just don't want to fill it tomorrow too much. There we go. How about that right there? Check out that little blister action right there. Nice. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Look at that blip. About dropped it right there. You can probably see it right here. A little blister action. That's good flavor. Perfect. Try to get some blister action on some of those poblanos. Tomatillos are looking good. That's gonna be some nice flavor right there. I don't know if you could see that or not, but would you look at that? Right there, come on. A piece of garlic is good. Look at that thing. Put that in there. Don't want our garlic to be too burnt. This tomatillo, good. I think these are good. That might be enough of the tomatillos. Gotta have that onion in there. Right. We'll cut these burners off. I'll take these and put them over on our tray. Have to make another batch, it's fine. I wanna add just a little bit of this organic water here, about a 1/4 cup. There we go. And really, I'm just gonna kind of let that steam. Just gonna let that set off, let it steam for a little bit. I'm gonna clean up a little bit here and we'll come right back, all right? All right, we got our mixture. It's been setting for a couple minutes. Just gonna blend this up. Now we gotta put a little bit of flavor in this. A little bit of flavor, I may have, oh, that's actually good. We could probably put some more of these tomatillos in here. Now that it's kind of come down a little bit, that's fine. I'll go ahead and put that in there. We'll do a little bit of cilantro. Gotta have cilantro. A little bit of lime juice. Do a little bit of lime juice so you can see. Probably can't see very well here, can you? Ooh, man, that's a juicy little sucker. Oh, juicy little sucker. Man, I can't wait. This little idea that I had, I hope it works. A little bit of, this right here is the cat's meow. A little bit of chicken bouillon, gotta have it. You can use the tomato as well. It's tomato and chicken. A little salt, a little pep. All right, here we go. Put that back. All right, let's blend her up. All righty, let's see what we got. Boy, that smells so good. Good Lord. Where's my spoon? Oh yeah. Ooh, oh yeah. Needs a little bit more salt. Needs to kind of set for just a little bit. What else? I think it's a little bit more of this bouillon. I love this stuff. Every Mexican kitchen, good Mexican kitchen, always got this, always got the red, and always got the brown. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you better know. So I'm gonna just, there we go. Get that out of the way for a second. That way, I want you to see this prettiness right here. Look at this, look at this. Well, I like a stick of chip in that right now. How are we gonna make our chips? You're probably on your edge of your seats. I'm glad you are. So glad. We're gonna take just some corn tortillas, maybe about that many. Half of this maybe. So then about 15. And I thought, why not, instead of like a chip is, you know, triangles, why don't we make bite-sized tortillas and cook them on the griddle? Why not, right? Now, look at that. That right there is gonna go on a fork a lot better than a big old chip. All right, warm griddle, nice warm griddle, some oil. I'm gonna bring it on the top, let it just kind of come down. You want ample amounts of oil, and I'm even gonna put a little bit of bacon up in there too. I use a lot of like lard, you know, with Mexican dishes, so a little bacon up, I feel like do just great. Now, with our chips, watch this. Yeah, that's gonna work great. Get everybody with a little bit of this oil. Wanna make sure it kind of shallow fries a little bit. So we're just gonna try and move these around. And actually this burner right here, I am going to cut it off because that's where I'm gonna fry my eggs. One other thing, now what I did want is I wanted some beans. So instead of like a refried beans, I thought some black beans would be great. And why not? Bush's has these Taco Fiesta black beans with some Chipotle sauce. Why not, right? Just gonna put those right down onto the griddle. And we're just gonna warm these up. Check on our cheeks. Our cheeks are looking good. Nice looking cheek. Now, if you want to make your own chips, go right ahead. You could put a aluminum pan on here. You could put like a cast iron skillet with some oil and you can deep fry. I just thought, why not try this? I don't know. We'll see if it works. Some of them are getting crispy. I can hear it. All right, let's give us another 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. All right. Our chips looking fantastic, fantastic. You hear that? Put a little salt on there. I put a little bit earlier. My cameras keep cutting off because of the heat. It's hot today. It's gonna be about 86 degrees. Now we gotta do our eggs. So how we gonna do that? I am going to, a little bit of oil. Probably should have used bacon grease, but that's all right. Nobody get on to me because I'm using these eggs. These things are high dollar. All right. Oh shoot, I think I busted it. No, didn't. And there we go. I'm gonna do 2 huevos. 2 huevos. I'm gonna take a little bit of my very own Fiesta dust. And I'm gonna season those eggs. I'm gonna season up a little bit of those chips too. Now, let's get the chips ready. I'm gonna put them right back into the middle. I'm gonna put some of that salsa verde right onto those chips. That's gonna be nice. Man, it smells good. I'm smelling that garlic, smelling the onion coming out. Look at that right there. My eggs, I kind of like it whenever that little edge, that bottom gets nice and crispy, especially for these chilaquiles, okay? I'm gonna put these right there. Man alive. That is a pile of chilaquiles. Yeah, beans. Our beans, I'm actually gonna take, just gonna kind of mash them a little bit. Kind of gives it a little bit different texture. Beans, right there. My friends, amigos, chilaquiles. Oh, forgot my eggs. Oh yeah. That, my friends, is chilaquiles with salsa verde. Dang it, boys, look at this. Ooh, man, that is a pile of goodness right there. We're not done. No, sir. Got to finish this off. A little bit of queso fresco. A little bit of queso fresco. Yeah, well, that looks good right there. Love it, love it. All right, guys, there's nothing else to do here but to try these groceries. This is probably one of my most favorite. Let's see if these eggs still held up. Had to take pictures, B-roll, that, you know, that kind of thing. Man, it's already still drippy. Still drippy. Woo, man. Let's get in here. Let's get in here. It's a big old bite. Cheers. Oh my gosh. I like those chips. I like those chips. I like that salsa verde. Still got a little bit of crunch. It's still held up, even though we put the salsa verde in there and cooked it basically. Oh man, the garlic, I tasted garlic. Jalapeno, taste it. A little Texas Pete. A little Texas Pete. Use whatever hot sauce you like. I like old Texas Pete. Gotta wash it down with a little cheer wine too. Give us a try. Give this method for your chips a try. And try these beans. And beans are good too. That's what I like about salsa verde. It's kind of light, vibrant. Does that make sense? You know, the tomatillo just with the lime and the cilantro. So good. Give us a try. I think you'll like it. There might be some bloopers behind the scenes after this. Love you. Bye. Chilaquiles. Is that right? Hold on a minute. Chilaquiles? Chilaquiles. Let me make sure I did that right.
Chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles. One more now. Before we get down to business with the chilaquiles. Salsa verde. Chilaquiles, salsa verde? I don't know. What's it gonna be today? Chilaquiles. 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 Let's go. I am going to put a little bit of, need some water. What is it, Maggie girl? You can't have this. This is a dang jalapeno core. You look like you're scared. Why are you scared? Don't be scared. Just lay it on there. I put our onion in there already. Onion, you in there? Oh, where's my onion? That ain't all the onion right here. Ain't no way. Is that it? Where's it at? I guess so. Okay.